Customize your experience in OMS settings. Add your carriers, address validation, sender address, packages, printing, and billing information. To add a new carrier, click Add New. Enter the carrier information. Once it's added, click Add Shipping Account. Then you can also set if it's going to be a return shipping account. Your full list of carriers will be listed here. To edit, click the ellipsis, or to delete. Address validation will follow similar. Check which box you want, then click Save. For sender address, you'll see all your list of addresses. You can edit it with the pencil icon, use the trash icon to delete it. Click Add New to add the list of details for your new address. You can also save it as the default. Under Packages, you can label your default package shipping settings. So over here you can see we have standard UPS desk box, the length, the width, the height, and the weight. To edit it, simply click Edit. You can click Save for your default setting. To add a shipping package, click Shipping Package right here. Label it, put your designated weight, your metric, and then if you want to set it as a label, default package, then click Save Package. For printing, we give recommended printers along with download and install steps. We take you step by step. And in billing information, add your designated payment method. To edit, you can set this one as default, delete, click Add Payment Method to add a new card, which will show up right here.